Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious guacamole. First, select 3 ripe avocados. They should yield slightly to gentle pressure. You'll also need 1/4 cup of finely diced red onion, 2 tablespoons of chopped cilantro, and the juice of 1 lime. Don't forget a small jalapeno for a little kick, and salt and pepper to taste. These fresh ingredients are the foundation for amazing flavor. Once you have your ripe avocados, carefully cut them in half lengthwise and remove the large pit. Scoop the vibrant green flesh into a bowl. Now, it's time to mash. You can use a fork for a chunkier guacamole or a potato masher for a smoother consistency. Aim for a texture that still has some small avocado pieces for interest. This step is quick and satisfying. With your mashed avocado ready, it's time to infuse it with flavor. Stir in your finely diced red onion, the fresh chopped cilantro, and the minced jalapeno. Next, squeeze in the juice from 1 whole lime. This not only adds tang but also helps prevent browning. Finally, season with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, adjusting to your preference. Mix everything gently. Your homemade guacamole is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately with your favorite tortilla chips, fresh vegetable sticks, or as a topping for tacos and burritos. If you have any leftovers, press plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the guacamole before refrigerating to minimize air exposure and keep it fresh. For more great kitchen tools and deals, including those leak-proof containers, check out the links in the description below. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.